Yo, what up? What up? Good morning, GMGS. Friday, September 19th, 2025. Look at another beautiful day to have a beautiful day. I got my co-host in the house, Tyler. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing today?
I'm good. It's quad witching day. It's almost the end of Ghost Month. And shout out to our homies over at REKT Drinks. Huge day. Big sale coming up here. 3 hours? 3 hours away?
Fudding.
It's going to be a big one.
I'm fudding. I still don't have mine. I'm fudding for sure. I don't have my Moon Crush. Yeah, so I'm fudding. I naturally have to FUD, right? But I'm excited for them. Happy for you. Congrats.
They clearly prioritize top 75 KOLs in their early distribution. And I'm sorry to everyone who's not on that list. Work hard.
Oh my God, you son of a bitch. Oh my God, I love it. I fucking love it. Anyways, the other show. Today, what do we have here? We got quad witching. Today we're gonna do some astrology on the stream, right, Tyler? I feel like we have to. Like, all right, quad witching, Ghost Month, Jewish New Year's coming up, fucking Asia, like the whole Singapore token 2049 KBW. We got, so many. We're gonna do some Chinese astrology today on the show for sure. We have to. It's been a while since we got our friend ChatGPT involved in the mix here. So we're gonna pull it up on the screen. We're gonna go to Tyler's top 100. It is Sweet Token Bonanza. MetaMask, the greatest wallet in the world. It's clean, it's smooth, and built for real traders. MetaMask is announced. Well, not MetaMask, I guess. Joe kind of like let it slip. MetaMask token is coming. Ooh. Shout out to the credit card debit card users, right? Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
That would be nice.
Maybe.
That would be nice. So MetaMask got something going on, but also like a bunch of other news. Like yesterday feels like a lot. So it's a good thing. And it is the last show forever. Just kidding. We are going to be off next week as Mando and I are headed over to the East. And our friend Tyler is finally taking a deserved week off so he can go celebrate his birthday and some good times with his homies. I think the guy deserves it. So it just happened. It was at the same time. So you know what? We're giving you guys a week off from us because I feel like you guys are taking us for granted a little bit. You got to miss us, right, Tyler? We're going to make them miss us, right?
Perhaps we've been giving a little bit too much.
Yeah.
And, that's one of our weaknesses is we give too much. So we're gonna dial it back a little bit just for a week, and then we'll be back strong.
Just for a week, don't worry. I mean, I'll be out for 2 weeks, and then I'm going to Singapore. It's like literally impossible to host this show at like 11 p.m. But Tyler's gonna be back after that. But we do have to separate and split ways for 1 week. So hopefully you guys will survive for one entire week without your favorite show in crypto. Anyway, so there's that. That's what we're doing today. Tyler, let's get right into it because we do have a lot to discuss this morning.
For daily NFT and crypto analysis. Tyler D on FOMO hour cause the kid can't miss.
Ready to bash some bears. Yeah, folks, excuse me. It looks like crypto majors are a bit red here, retreating after the post-FOMC rally. Just a touch. We've got Bitcoin down 1%, 116.4. ETH down 1%, 45.40. Solana down 2% at 242. This came on a day that was mostly positive. So MicroStrategy stock was up 7% yesterday, greatly outperforming Bitcoin's plus 2% move. That DAT trade might be coming back. Bitminer was up quite a bit as well. The Bitcoin ETF saw 160 million in net inflows. The ETH ETFs actually had more, 213 million. So nice day for inflows. We'll see if that continues here today. We talked about Google Cloud. The Google Cloud EigenLayer news, they partnered to make EigenCloud the backbone for their AI agentic payments network. That was a huge headline. We had Coinbase introduce USDC lending within their app, allowing users to earn yields up to 10.8% via Morpho. The White House is reportedly looking at other CFTC chairs after Brian Quinten's confirmation has stalled, at least partially due to criticism from the Winklevoss brothers. So we'll see what comes out from that. Kraken partnered with Legion to debut Kraken Launch, which is effectively an ICO style platform. And then Kevin Durant, ancient Bitcoin whale Kevin Durant, has regained access to the Bitcoin he lost via Coinbase back in 2016. Brian Armstrong tweeted this out. Folks, the price of Bitcoin was $600 back then. So who knows how much Bitcoin Kevin Durant just got access to. That might be why we were dumping overnight. In corporate treasury and ETF news, Brera Holdings was a sports holding company. They're pivoting to Solana DAT, and they've already raised $300 million. So more SOL money is incoming. That DOGE ETF, DOGE, DOGE, did $17 million volume in its debut yesterday. That's enough to notch a top 5 debut across all ETFs this year. So some decent demand for that DOGE ETF. And then the first crypto index ETF launches today from Grayscale. It has 5 tokens: Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, SOL, and ADA. So expect more of these index ETFs to come. I buried the lead, folks. It was a huge day for token and airdrop news. So Consensus founder Joe Lubin confirmed a MetaMask token is coming very soon. And then this morning, news out of MetaMask, they're integrating Hyperliquid for perps trading in wallet. Wow, did not see that one coming here today. So 2 big pieces of news out of MetaMask. Plasma, they announced they're going to launch their mainnet next week on September 25th. That's next Thursday. That XPL token going to be airdropped and live for trading as well. Pump Fund crossed $100 million in pump token buybacks yesterday. They've been averaging 2 to 3 million in buybacks per day over the last few weeks. Avantis, you may have seen people talking about Avantis and that Avant token, which has been soaring. They introduced MAG7 perps, tokenized stocks for the MAG7, where users can go up to 25x long, stocks like Tesla or Apple. So perps have already hit tokenized stocks. And then REKT, Mooncrush sale goes live 1 p.m. Eastern today with drinks going to buyers on a tiered system based on how many REKT tokens you hold. Rounding this out, meme leaders were pretty red on the day. This one token continues to lead movers. And then in NFTs, that punk strategy, larger NFT strategy, got delayed last night. I think it's going to roll out at 12 p.m. Eastern today. So watch out for that. And then Gandhi, they rolled out their Gandhi purchase bundler. This was a big update from them, which allows users to buy NFTs across marketplaces without needing the full purchase amount. They're effectively taking over the loan offers and just paying the difference. So a big update out of them. And that was our rundown.
Lovely rundown, Mr. Tyler. Oh, man, what you eating over here?
Watermelon.
Watermelon? I'm so down for watermelon. It's hot, right?
Watermelon's always good.
Dude, I love you. I can eat a whole fucking watermelon. I don't know if it's the Persian meat, but like we just love watermelon. You guys love watermelon? It's so good.
Clearly. I eat it pretty much every day.
I love water. Did you lower your coconut water intake?
What did you say, sorry?
Did you lower your coconut water intake, Mando?
I did.
Okay, good. Because it's not good every day. Okay, good. Just check. Just
Up
looking at
to my watermelon intake and lowered my coconut water intake.
That's fine. That's fine. It's like good sugars, right? So whatever.
Yeah.
Especially earlier during the day. So it's okay, you know. Anyways, we have a lot to discuss today, Mando. Today is a big astrology day. You know, we're gonna do some Chinese astrology on the show today because it's been a while and the people want it. But quick, and you know, it's a quad witching, so I do expect you to be an expert in quad witching, Mando, because I'm gonna go to you and Tyler when it comes to that. But quickly, Tyler, did it occur to you that Kevin Durant sold his Bitcoin to buy runes?
That was my first place I went to check. It's like the Pups has to be up on this news as Kevin Durant apes his 9-year-old Bitcoin balance.
Yeah, because he must be up a lot, right? I think I read something like it's up 180x. If he held it, because his Coinbase was locked this whole time.
It was a forced hold. Yeah, he couldn't touch it, and Bitcoin was $600.
Bullish. Honestly, I wish I bought crypto at Bitcoin 6 years ago and it was forced held. You know what I mean? Study that.
Oh, I did on KuCoin, and they won't let me into my account.
No,
so,
actually,
maybe if I become an NBA star, I'll get access to that account.
Oh damn it! Should have told me that earlier. I think we know a couple people there. But anyways, we'll help with that later. Let's go back to what's going on today. Market. It is Friday. You know, Friday is kind of used to dump. Quad witching. I don't have a button that goes wah, wah, wah. You know, I'm kind of worried about that or not. What the fuck is a quad witching, lads?
So the 20th of every quarter, the end of every quarter, is just generally when a lot of options expire. Like they always make it the 20th. So it's the 20th of March, the 20th of September are the two big ones. So the other big time is the 20th of March. But they also have smaller ones on the 20th of June and the 20th of December. But yeah, like when in my old job, all our options used to expire on the 20th of September generally. So they they would this is just when a lot of options expire. So you tend to see a lot of volatility on a day like today because people try and push stuff around for exactly when the option expires. So normally you see high amounts of volatility basically on a day like today.
So, like,
So
how do you feel about?
let's say you had an option that the S&P might be at 6,700 and you would make money if it was above and I would make money if it was below. Then today, and it gets settled today you might be like, right, smash it below 6,700. No, smash it above. Like people have weird incentives on days like today.
Okay. So up or down?
Generally, these days are just volatile rather than up or down.
Okay. Got it. All right. Well,
Or
there you go.
they get drawn to like where the majority of the options lie. I don't really know what the options skew looks like for major markets, but often it gets drawn to where like the majority of the options are set to expire.
Okay.
It's weird. I mean, stocks are looking good. The Russell 2000, the smaller cap index, hit a new all-time high. I mean, I think we're green across the board. So once again, it's a weird day with crypto lagging.
So what's going on there too? That's also where I wanted to go this show because I did see like a skew of like positive news on my timeline before the show. Everything's highest intraday. Gold is crushing. Not that crypto's doing bad, but it's just like hanging there.
Yeah, I think it's kind of what I said, right? I feel as though we're not out of the woods. That was not an out of the woods speech. That was a speech where he's like, you know what? We don't need to move that quickly. We're just going to wait and see. And I think the market's going to freak itself out a couple of times. I still think Bitcoin's going higher, but I fully expect like a wick or two here where people get like wiped. I really do. I don't want to scare anyone, but if you're sitting there in some massive perp position in an altcoin or meme coin or whatever, be very wary. I think we're in for a very volatile couple of months here. At least.
It's interesting if you look at the past. So like July, August, we rallied effectively pretty fiercely the first half of the month and then chopped decline the second half. And that's just a small random sample. But I feel like that's kind of what my gut says we go the next 2 weeks. And like, of course, I'm positioned for higher. And of course, I still think we're grinding much higher in Q4.
And the weekly looks pretty good, honestly. But
Ansem's calling for 90 before 120.
Here, look at the weekly on Bitcoin.
Lucky I'm not on this call doing that. No, I don't think anything like that. But I do think be very wary of volatility here. You're gonna have to. There's gonna be moments over the next month, I think, where you're gonna be like, "Oh my god, why did I still hold on to Fartcoin?"
Hey.
I'm just using a random example. No one.
Random. It's always Fartcoin.
No one in particular. But yeah, I see that in my future. I see that in my horoscope. Should we do that? Should we do the horoscope now?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's
do the horoscope.
So thirsty. Oh my god, I'm so thirsty today. Wow.
Get some watermelon, dude.
Dude, I've been working out like a dog, man. I'm fucking tired. All right, so we're on ChatGPT, y'all. Welcome to your favorite segment of the show. Here, let's do a Chinese horoscope, right? So what are we doing? What was the prompt again, Mando? Because Ghost Month seems to be over, right? Tyler, you said 21st?
Yeah, I think just give us our crypto horoscope for the day.
us our crypto horoscope for the day based on Chinese astrology. So there it is. Oh, Mendo's stuff rugged.
In Chinese astrology, or are we
Give me
doing?
some Mendo.
Can you hear me?
We can hear you now. Yeah,
Can you hear Mendo?
I can.
Yeah, can you?
I can't hear Mendo.
Oh no.
Oh, there he is. There he is. I can see him in here right now. What up? I actually mistakenly sent a screenshot to Ovi instead of you.
This is giving us like, okay, I don't know what my animal is.
Yeah, we should do a zodiac rather than
I don't. You gotta know your animals. What year are you born, Tyler?
I think I'm the year of the
1985.
1985. So you are the ox. The ox. Steady, ready progress is your strength. A good day to hold rather than chase the hype. Patience will reward you more than chasing pumps. Wow.
Yeah, that's evergreen. Yeah.
What are you, Mando?
It's advice I need that I don't act on.
Doesn't sound like Tyler. That I think I may be the goat. 1981.
1981.
Not me, dude. 91.
Okay, you're the goat. You're the goat. So, Mando, you thrive in harmony. Stick to stable projects and avoid conflicts in trading groups. Calm strategies will outperform risky gambles. Wow, man.
Oh, yeah.
Avoid conflicts in trading groups. What kind of trading groups are you conflicting in, Mando? What's going on? Wow, who are you arguing with? And the dog for me, loyal and protective. You may feel safer in blue chip cryptos. Avoid distractions.
Oh my God, it's come for you again. Is Fartcoin a blue chip at this stage? Are we calling it a blue chip?
It's a brown chip.
Oh God. Are we going to take that advice, Farouk, or
I don't
no?
know. I'm gonna double down here. Give me horoscope. Yeah, I need double. I need white people horoscope now.
Yeah.
So we need the white version of that.
It's Friday. We're just gonna do 15 minutes of horoscope talk here.
Yeah. Oh no, not rat. I meant astrology, regular zodiac signs. You know, there you go. Yeah. It's Friday. We got to check it out. I mean, the people want it. You know, people love this kind of content here. So again, Western, see, Western white, same thing. All right, what are you guys again? Aren't you Aries?
I'm Aries. I'm Aries. Yeah.
All right, Tyler. Your fiery energy pushes you towards fast trades.
This is more accurate. Yeah.
Quick in and out scalps could work, but avoid FOMO on sudden pumps. So if you're Aries, there it is. What are you again, Mando? I forget.
I'm Cancer.
Cancer, security matters most. Stick to blue chip products and maybe take some profits off the table. Protect your emotional peace. Ooh, Mando.
I've been saying this, man.
Time to sell some Bitcoin here, Mando. And Virgo, for your boy, your analytical side shines. Charting and back testing will pay off more than impulsive move. Perfect day for planning. Ooh, I like that. Charting? Okay.
Let's pull some charts. Let's pull some lines.
Let's put some lines, boys. Let's put some. So here it is. We got the lines for Bitcoin on the weekly.
Looks good.
Has it ever looked bad here? I mean, you guys.
It looked a lot worse 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, 3 weeks ago it did. But I don't know, guys. A lot of people calling for crazy things. I mean, even ETH, right? ETH just looks like Tom Lee's about to just come out of nowhere and just buy like another $1 billion.
I think he's got $1 billion in cash. I haven't verified that, but I saw chatter that like they've been selling heavy. The volumes have been up on the DAT trade this week.
Okay.
So he's got more ammo.
There's that.
More shares?
I think so, right?
Yeah, he hasn't tapped his ATM.
Okay, I didn't know. That'd be cool.
And he's still got to go. And Solar is still the strongest of them all in terms of charts. I mean, it looks incredible still.
Another $300 million DAT announced. This
random
company, Brera.
There you go. There you go. And then the one I'm looking at personally is Pump.
So I don't. 251.
I mean, yeah. So yeah, right? Is it? It is not. Did I just reload? Am I wrong?
What did you say?
Sol's 242 right now.
242. Wow, I didn't. Still looks really good. But the other one I'm looking at is Pump here, boys. Because I think I said it in the FOMO chat. I was looking into like maybe like a retest of previous high, which we're getting there. Like Mendo, you were in the Pump trade. I think you were saying that there's going to be another chance at this trade on the show. I think you said that. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Where would you be looking at buying this? I personally thought it was around 240, which is like previous high, but
I looked at it again today. It probably can go to like 6.5, and then I think it's a buy.
What's
but like you could buy it now. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it's a good buy, I think.
No. Yeah,
tough to argue that pump is not going to be a good buy here.
Yeah.
But I would say I'm more wary, as I've said a few times on various alts. I think watch out.
Pump it's got the tilted cup and handle, right? Just tilt a little bit tilted.
Like a somewhat of a cup. Like it could look like a double cup in hand. Like it looks like a 2 cup one handle, right?
Well, Thread guy sold 35% of his bag, and then all of his followers tailed him. So they all
like it looks like a
double piled out the exit.
You know, this is the double cup and handle. Here,
double cup and handle.
I mean, I don't know. I'm not the one paying the chart here. Alon is.
I mean, the near-term bear case is that the creator capital markets trade has slowed down. A lot of people got burned on it. Are we going to see like a little bit of a chop, lower volume, like a reset here? Like they're clearly not going to slow down their buybacks, but are the buybacks going to be smaller because there's going to be a little bit less action for the near future? I don't know. And that's what bears are saying.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's still a really aggressive buyback, isn't it? That's kind of my point.
$100 million so far, no?
It's kind of crazy, right? I feel like the buybacks can be used as a meme in both directions. Like the buyback's been kind of similar throughout, and like I think it's just like what the narrative is, and I just think honestly, it just became a popular trade.
Yeah,
and that I mean, I did take some profits in my trade, but I do think this is something that could like go quite a bit higher.
This is going to give you multiple chances, I think, buying it. The other trade, Tyler, I mean, how's your Aster trade doing? This thing went to like, what, 80 cents yesterday? Back at 70 right now. Not looking that bad either. It's getting some listings today.
I'm up on it. I'm holding. It looks like it's kind of consolidating here. So it did survive. Aster they opened up perps trading on their platform, so you could short it for the first time yesterday, and then Hyperliquid launched it today. So now you can trade both sides of this on the Aster and Hyperliquid. I'm not going to go into the fundamentals of the trade or the Aster as a platform. I view this as a meme trade, a CZ trade.
Well, it suits your horoscope.
It does. Yeah.
The horoscope trade.
Luckily, I got in. I wasn't like first in the trade, but I think my average is around 40 cents. So I'm up a solid 50%.
That's not bad.
I've got some room to hang on for a bit. Let this play out.
Okay, so that was the other one worth looking at here. I think this and Pump are like interesting to look at as the market goes lower a little bit. The other big news, Tyler, MetaMask. Looks like we're getting an airdrop here.
Daddy Joe Lubin dropped the bomb last night. Says, yes, MetaMask token incoming very soon. In quotes, we don't really have any more details than that. Prediction markets are already firing, trying to get a pulse on the market and what folks think. I think MYRIAD launched a market this morning.
It's Daddy Joe Lubin, like you said. I love that.
And hold on, they just announced right before the show that they're launching perps as well using Hyperliquid.
Yeah, this is arguably the bigger announcement. Just like Phantom, they're going to integrate Hyperliquid perps trading in wallet. And I feel like as more crypto natives who've been around the block, like you don't think about in wallet trading, but like during the meme coin boom, I don't know if folks remember, like Phantom volumes were insane. Like retail was trading memes inside the Phantom wallet.
Yeah.
So in a world where retail comes back and is doing big volume, they very likely are going to be doing it in wallet. And I think it's probably more bullish Hyperliquid than anything else. I think it does make Mask more interesting. I think Mask, it's super interesting if they use some kind of if they do a buyback of some kind. I don't know if they will. But the writing is clearly on the wall, right? That's what makes tokens successful in 2025. And even just like a broad strokes announcement of a buyback program without even the details is probably enough to get some lift.
Yeah, the whisper of a buyback.
And I think people are going to be rooting for this one, right? Basically everyone uses MetaMask. Like hopes are not high for a huge airdrop here. And I think you need to set your expectations accordingly. But
Interesting.
they've got a lot of tokens now, though, too. So Linea and MetaMask. So I'll be curious how they're going to manage those, how they're going to perhaps integrate them. Oh, and the stablecoin, right? MUSD.
And MUSD.
So 3 tokens in this ecosystem, along with ETH as the core fourth.
As bet?
A lot of once it becomes tokenized.
Yeah.
Already speculation. The farming guides are already out there in double time. Holding MUSD, you want to hold Linea. I don't know. I have no insight into how this airdrop would work. But I would probably rather hold those than just farming MetaMask swap volume. If you're in a last minute race to try to get some farming action in.
Yeah. This is going to be interesting.
Do you think we're going to get it in 2025? That's the question.
I think we're getting it. We put a market on MYRIAD, which is before November, I think. I think I think we're getting it in October, November. That's what I think. I think December's too late. What do you guys think?
That'd be nice.
That'd be really nice.
I'd bet yes in 2025. I'm not sure I would bet yes on October, though.
I just don't know. One thing I'm not sure about here is what is the size of this airdrop going to be? Because there's a lot of people.
It's not going to be you also you surely you would have had to trade on their native DEX, right?
Well, there's 10 million individual people that have used the swap.
Right. So just creating a wallet won't make. Don't just assume because you have a wallet you're just going to get paid.
Yeah, but 10 million people have used the swap function.
This is the most crowded airdrop of all time, right?
It's over. It's over before it began.
Yeah, I don't think it's one of those where you, maybe one person, but I don't think it's one of those where people are gonna make $100,000. You're gonna get maybe a quick little stimmy, which is not bad either. If 10 million people get $1,000,
that's a lot.
That would be a $10 billion airdrop. Right?
Yeah.
So it's more like $100.
Math is not mathing today.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe.
You said 10 million people. I think the wallet count is even higher than that, right? It's
wallet count is higher, but I'm talking about I saw a stat. There's 10 million individual people or 10 million wallets that have used the swap function.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, someone in the comments says we don't complain about airdrops. I think that's
so MetaMask over 100 million total MetaMask users.
So MetaMask, Base, C,
Pump. People keep forgetting about Pump airdrop.
YEET,
Meteora.
What else? Meteora,
Polymarket,
which I don't think Polymarket's this year. I think Polymarket will be more of a Q1 next year, but Polymarket.
Maybe.
I think Polymarket would be hyperliquid size airdrop, top 20.
Polymarket will be before Base. I'd bet on that.
Yeah. True. So there's
Monad Mega ETH.
Jinx. Monad and Mega ETH, once these things drop, all hell breaks loose.
Abstract.
There's
a lot.
Is Monad actually happening? What's the deal with that?
I have no idea, bro. I don't know.
I feel like there's been jokes about it, and then there's been jokes about it 6 months later after the first jokes, and then another 6 months later there's jokes about it, and now it's just are we still even joking, or is it just never coming? I thought I saw the Monad intern say, "Finally, I'm ready to say it's gonna be soon." And I was like, "Bro, just tell us."
I think the hyperliquid second airdrop is probably the most likely to come first.
Hyperliquid number 2. ASTER is doing another airdrop, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Linea just happened. Which, by the way, you just talked about this, but Linea caught a fat bid on the back of this news.
Yeah, people like the
Right here, I just saw on
theory of
France.
holding Linea. Plus, there's just the thing about the Linea trade is
Dude, Linea
no
looks
one's got
good.
any to sell. Yeah, it looks good.
This thing looks good. What the fuck?
It really does look good.
But this actually looks really good. Linea, check the screen. Actually looks good. Damn. Wait, hold on. Let's pull it up on TradingView here. We haven't really talked about it. Oh wow.
Yeah, it looks really
Damn.
good in that view.
Jeez. Louise. Dude, this looks amazing. Wow. What? Is that a cup?
To me, this was the hyperliquid. It was a hyperliquid-like setup. It's a very different protocol, but the setup was the same in that no one had any tokens to sell.
We're doing cup and handles on the 1 hour chart. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah. Well, this is more cock and balls, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you also have the Moon Crush? You know what? This is insane.
Top
This
75. He's
It's
just
just
75.
How? Hold on. Fuck you guys. I'm texting tabs.
Just arrived. I'm super happy. It tastes
What the
really
fuck?
good. This is definitely the best one.
Can we just pause?
Oh, that's why CTT emailed me twice. I was telling Vanessa. I was like, Vanessa, why am I getting CTT emails because I don't order anything? It's
There you go.
fucking, the Portugal has my shit. They
You
didn't
blew it.
deliver them.
That means it'll never arrive.
It's never arriving now.
Well,
If it's in the CTC system, my friend.
Oh, it's over.
yeah,
oh,
well,
man.
then you're gonna have to market buy some today, like the rest.
It's
Bro,
of
so
the
over, man.
There's
It's
some
so over.
Portuguese lad working a construction site right now, just fucking chugging my Moon Crush, dude.
Oh, for sure.
That shit is far gone. That's why I've been getting CTT emails. Because you know what, Mando? The ring downstairs stopped working. But nobody's fixing it. It's been 2 weeks. It's just, there's no one. Obrigado.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, friend.
you know? Thank you for understanding. Thank you.
It's a holiday. It's a holiday today.
Brother,
I was walking through the center of town with KBM yesterday because he was in Lisbon, as you know, and some fireworks were just going off, and he was like, "Oh, was there a holiday today?" And I was like, "You know what? Probably
every day.
Probably, man. I don't know what it is, but there's probably a holiday."
I was meeting with a bunch of iGaming lads last night in the gambling business, and everyone's talking about YEET. So
Yeah,
like,
tell me about it. Tell me about it. What are they saying?
So I'm talking to like this person from iBankroll and like this person from another company, and a lot of the conversations like crypto casinos. Like, oh, what do you think about crypto casinos? And then like everyone's like, oh, YEET, this thing has come out of nowhere. It's like everyone's like, oh, YEET is doing so good. Oh, YEET this, YEET that, and I'm like, you know, it's not bad.
Wait, you know what? None of them have heard of prediction markets. Almost none. I met one person at a dinner for like one of the kingmakers who said we'd invested in a couple, but like no one really knew what was being spoken about.
I am so bullish about that because every time I said I come from prediction markets, they were hyped, but none of them had touched them, looked into them, gotten involved with them, done marketing for them, thought of integrating them. Like, it's so early in the iGaming world for prediction markets because people don't realize like prediction markets within CT. Yeah, sure. Like you're stage 2 right now, but like it hasn't even gone 0 to 1 in like the gambling iGaming world at all.
Not at all. In fact, someone I said it. They were like, "Oh, is that like Kalshi thing?" And I was like,
you know, Polymarket or something. Yeah.
They barely even know what's going on. Like Kalshi's doing more volume than some of the sports books, right? Like, so I think they're about to suddenly. That's why I said you should meet all these people because as soon as you give them something to invest in, they'll invest.
Yeah, it's really interesting. So it got me even more bullish on what we're doing because I'm like, well, these people have no idea, and like they're like we're talking about people that run multi-billions of dollars of volume in casinos, right? And it's super interesting to see. And they haven't even started pushing volume to like prediction market. So I can't wait to tap into that world. This reminds me of like, remember when Luca Ness was going to like IP conferences like 3 years ago, Mando? to like show pudgies, and people are like, why are you going to IP conference? And looking 3 years later, like, well, that was the play. Like, I'm really glad I got to like kind of see that side of like that side of the coin over this week here. So it's been really interesting. Anyways, speaking of Moon Crush, Tyler, why don't we talk about REKT for a second? Because that's it's happening in very soon.
It is. So it is 1 p.m. Eastern. I've got the initial announcement here pulled up. I believe it is 1 p.m. Eastern. And every case of Moon Crush that you buy, you will earn REKT rank points. There's a multiplier based on how many REKT coins you hold. On the low end, if you hold 1 billion, you get 1.2x. Up to 1 trillion, you get 2x on your points. So the trillionaires are definitely going to be coming after this. So you've got the incentives to buy. But beyond the incentives, like I'm going to say this one last time. This is the best flavor.
Yeah, it is. I'm already having it now. I don't know what they put in it.
I have located mine. It's in shadow. I have located mine.
Got like if you have to go to the CTT center, just thank you for understanding. You're gonna have to
Thank you for
get in a massive queue, show some sort of residency, passport.
Dude, I'm so annoyed right now. That's why I don't order shit. So there it is, big day. It looks like a lot of guys. Is this the day where Ovi finally fulfills his goal of surpassing Red Bull Year 1 sales?
This will be the day. If this sells out, this will be the day.
The question is, how fast does it sell out? We do have a market, boys. We have a market. Actually, this market's done quite a bit of volume. I'm pretty happy about this. We've done a market for this, which, and by the way, the line is perfect on that one. For the Red Guy market here is, will REKT Drinks Moon Crush sell out within 5 minutes? And it's a perfect 50-50 right now. Almost. What do we think, boys?
I mean, what last one was like 3, maybe?
I think it was 1.
1.
Wait.
I think it will. Mainly because this is a good flavor, and the MoonPay lads, it's been nice working with them. I think it's been a good one. So I reckon this will.
What do you think?
I think it depends on the supply. They haven't published the supply totals.
It's a big supply.
So I think that would be.
Oh yeah, actually,
the hesitation.
I mean, they did say this is the one that beats Red Bull, so that means it's over 200K cans.
It's going to sell out. 100% it's going to sell out. I don't know if it's going to sell out in 5 minutes.
I mean, look at the chart was looking like this before it closed. It's pretty wild.
I don't think Ovi and Tabs are measuring the success of this launch if it sells out in 5 minutes or not.
Oh no, they are.
I'm wrong.
They might act like they don't care about this. They really want this to happen, I'm sure.
No, they're like all over this shit. They're yeah.
Tabs can't count either way. Love that.
Oh my god!
You writing that, bro? Because you didn't get your drinking time.
I think I know where it is. And if I go to that place and it's on my REKT drinks, I'm going to like FUD REKT 0.
Imagine if the workers are just sitting back and just drinking your Moon Crush when you show.
It's probably it's on eBay already. You know, like it's already hit the market.
This would happen here, like them just sipping on them. It's like, oh, this is not super buck. What happened? But anyways, big sale today. Excited for our boys. Let's look at the REKT chart. We haven't looked in forever. What's it like? 3 something? 340, 350. It's been all week.
No.
There it is. Is that a double cup or like one handle? What is it?
That looks like a consolidation.
Yeah. But actually, this is a little cup here.
Yeah, but the handle looks kind of broken, doesn't it? So we need to come up with a new chart formation to that one. It does look like the cells. Like the red candles are losing momentum, right? So you could call that a rocket ship, you know?
The REKT rocket ship.
I love this. I think this show is like the perfect Friday show you could ask for. Anyways, we do still have a little time before we get into Farcoin Fridays on YEET. And was there a code today, Charlie? By the way, Friday Fart. There you go. Love that. Friday Fart is the code. Today, just a reminder, if you're watching us on X, because we're streaming there now, you have to go to kick.com and follow us, Degenz Live, and
higher or lower by Monday. Higher or lower by Monday.
We're not there yet.
Well, yeah.
Higher. Actually, I don't know because I have a feeling. Let me study something.
When am I bearish? Ever.
Let me study something. When is the Jewish New Year?
Next week.
It's the first day.
Next
Yes.
Friday or next Thursday, I think.
I think it's very soon. Yeah. Because it's hear this out. Okay, Monday, September 22nd. Okay. So the 21st is the end of Ghost Month, and the 22nd is Rosh Hashanah. See, we must study markets based on Jewish astrology, Chinese astrology, Persian astrology, my birthday, the moon. Like we have
Portuguese public holidays.
Portuguese holidays. We cannot be racist. We have to include everybody on the show, right?
And we'll know if Ghost Month is officially over if we start seeing the 7 p.m. bid every night on majors next week.
We've been missing that.
On the
and it coincides with Korea Blockchain Week.
Well, that's the thing. Conference weeks are usually a little weird, right? No majors kind of sell off.
Usually Token 2049 after that, it's like a banger month because it's like where people like drop their news. So I don't know, man, but your boy's gonna be talking about prediction markets on stage at Korea Blockchain Week. So let's fucking go. And I'm really excited for that. I'm a little lazy to fly like 1 million hours on the other side of the world, but it should be a good time. Tyler,
when are you speaking? When's OSF speaking?
OSF speaks right after me. I have 2 panels actually that day on the 24th, and then it's OSF.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I think after YEET, I don't get invited to these speeches anymore. So
well, there's a difference between making just some random list and actually like being relevant, guys.
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
When you get to speak,
he just claps back. Look at that! Look at that clap back.
I'm still waiting on my full paid round trip and hotel as a top 75K. Well, no one's reached out. I don't know if they don't have an email.
The Flight Guy conference hasn't reached out.
Yeah, what's happened with that? Because not only that, I just got invited for the first time. I'm pretty sure I'll be speaking at Token 2049.
Oh my goodness, market's going to zero.
Look at that. Your boy speaks at Token 2049. Not only 2 panels at QBW, not 1, 2 panels. Just want to put that in. And I'm not a moderator this year. I'm an actual speaker. So I just want, look at me. Yeah. From moderator to speaker. Love to see it. And so, don't mean to flex, guys. I don't have my moon crush, but don't worry, Tyler. We'll get you out to Miami this year. Because some people actually like care about you guys, this and stuff like that. So we'll make sure that you guys are out there with us. Also, Miami wouldn't be Miami without Tyler. I mean, Tyler last year was like MVP. So like, we gotta get Miami there. You gotta get Tyler at our house.
I haven't been for a couple of years. I should probably go.
Yeah, come on out. Maybe we do a live. Let's do a couple live shows. Why not? Give people what they want.
We did that maybe 2 years ago. I remember
we did. Yeah, people love it.
Canceled halfway through. It was a great trip.
Oh, that was crazy. That was 2021. That was right. 3 years ago. 22.
Oh, that
was crazy. That was crazy. That was not halfway through. That was as soon as the show started.
Yeah.
Like minute 1, and we had Hayden Adams on. Damn.
That was back in the time when someone would come for Farouk every single week.
But every Wednesday we had to deal with something different, you and I.
Yeah.
Good times.
You're too powerful. You're too powerful.
I talked about this on Liquidated show yesterday with Ponzi and Grimace. It was fun.
Oh, do they have a show?
Yeah, they have a show on at night. It's actually I did 2 yesterday. I did the Ethos Network show. I think you did that last week. It was a lot of fun. Shout out to Emlo. Emlo's a listener to our show. I'll share that again for you guys. I did that yesterday, and I did the thingy yesterday. Anyways, we do maybe 2 more minutes, Tyler. In case I really missed something that you couldn't squeeze in.
Yeah, let's go further out the risk curve. So we got tokenized stocks. And of course, as a very serious industry that doesn't at all dabble in gambling, we've already rolled out 25x perps on those tokenized stocks.
Cool. That's investing, my friend. That is investing.
Why buy Tesla stock when you could go 25x long Tesla stock? That's what Avantis is offering us here. So they rolled this out yesterday, just the Mag 7 perps trading. You can go up to 25x.
Honestly, I wish I made as much money as perp platforms, man. Perp platforms print like no other thing out there on sort of size.
And isn't it funny? Like
we have like a predictable 1%. It's like we have to hit huge volumes. But on one day, a perp platform, like let's say Bitcoin is about to drop like 2% right now, we're going to see like 10 billion of liquidations.
And yet the timeline like puts Hyperliquid and these perps platforms up on this pedestal. Like they're the holy protocol that makes their money in the best way while it's just liquidating degen traders. Yeah. And but pump funds bad and crypto casinos are bad. Make it make sense.
Well, it's because people think they have an edge, and actually, when you go, as we've shown about on this show, like the actual edge is just made up, or it's completely warped versus what it actually is. Yeah, like a very advanced trader could make money on a perp platform, and they can on a sports book, and they can on. I think prediction markets is probably the most we've already spoken about. It's probably the best of these, but perp platform, man, the amount of people that I see lose all of their money,
insane,
and it comes out of nowhere. You know, like at least, and just to put it in perspective, like it's because it's such a very predictable way you lose money, or a casino makes money. You lose over time. You really have to be at the casino for a long time to lose a lot of money, unless you're like, and you even have limits on how much you can bet, right? You can just gamble your whole balance in a second on every single one of these platforms, and it's gone. There's no risk. There's no risk management. So, and that's from people too. But like, if you give somebody the ability to lose $100,000 over a month, right, of them playing a game at a low level, and you know they may be want to do it for fun anyway, or and you know some of them may be up a lot. But like, if you can allow them to lose that in a second, some people are going to be like, yeah, I'm gonna lose that in a second.
Yeah,
but I don't really get into the obviously
cold.
It is what it is. But some of these businesses, I mean, that Avantis business with 25x Tesla stock, like people are going to get destroyed.
In general, I think it is interesting being able to effectively bet on Mag 7 stocks with higher leverage. I'm not sitting here saying go 25x long, but it is.
When 50x leverage lamb chop. Is Sims on this? Who's in the background? Degenz live.
I don't know who it is. Is it Charlie just being it?
I love that.
50x leverage on lamb chop would be insane. So I'm just really mindfucked about Deez's tweet.
What did he say?
Today I learned that Jimmy Fallon is not Jimmy Kimmel.
Yeah. They are different people. Huh? Yeah.
That's crazy.
You didn't know there were different people?
The European mind can't comprehend.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just realized they're two different people. It's true. And
one of them's based in New York and one of them's based in LA, I think. I think Fallon's based in New York, right?
One of them's canceled.
Yeah.
I just saw this tweet. I was like, holy shit. And then I Googled it and I was like, oh, it's true. It's not the same person. But I know that they're different, but you don't realize it because there's both Jimmys with the show.
Yeah.
Interesting. Anyways, anything else, Tyler, or let's just go give some money away?
Yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah, that's enough for today.
That's enough, folks. It's enough. Your boy's tired as well. And got a long day of work. And we got 2 winners, and we're done for a week after that. So last 2 winners before actually I shouldn't share my screen. I'm gonna let Charlie share a screen. 1 subscriber, Charlie, and 1 listener on Kick. So again, reminder, kick.com/Degenz Live is where you get us. All right, Mr. Charlie. Woo. Come on. Bad news on today. Let's give away some big money.
Do this.
Come on. 369 LP 999. 369 LP 999. What's his Kick username? Oh, there it is. Whoa, I see him.
Yeah.
Let's fucking go.
Let's go. Congratulations, 369 LP 999. Congratulations. You win $500 and you're going to have a $500 to play on Coinrace. So 369, do me a favor. Pick anything between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, because you're already going to have to play Far Coin. So pick something while Charlie picks the next winner. So pick one of the coins. Rhino 24. Where is 369? Rhino 24 here. Rhino 24. Yeah, Rhino won recently. No, Charlie, can you check, please? 369. And it's a subscriber that has to be picked, Charlie, for the second. So just make sure. Where's Charlie at? Charlie.
Hello. First one was the sub. So Rhino was the second one. Do you want me to respin?
So 369 was the sub.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
Got it. But did Rhino already win recently or not?
I didn't see that name.
I don't recall Rhino winning unless it was on.
No, same. So he should be fine. So Rhino picked. Okay, so 369 was the sub. Amazing. So thank you for subscribing, Charlie. Rhino, no, 369. Jeez.
Congrats.
I only found out this week that Charlie was British.
Okay, do you remember the video Charlie bit me?
Yeah, is it him?
Yes, bro. We hired the guy from that.
Wow.
Yeah, dude.
He's really good.
Charlie bit me.
We should launch a meme around
Charlie bit my finger.
that. And it hurts.
Do we know if Rhino won? People, the chat
Still
saying he won
hurts.
3 times.
Yeah, chat saying Rhino won a bunch of times. Do you mind checking, Charlie? And at the same time, I'm gonna go give 369 PL, LP, or whatever. He wants Doge and Far Coins, boys. That's gonna be insane. He wants the 2 highest risk ones. I love that.
Oh, I love this.
Let's go. That would be a hit.
We are so due. We are so due. 37x. That's doable. That's like the lowest multiple we've seen.
You know, it's a little bit of alpha, by the way.
What?
We're gonna do a bit of Built for Big Moments October as well.
Yeah.
We're ready to win again. We're ready to win again.
Come on.
Let's go. Here we go. Shut Ethereum right away. Come on. I feel good about this one. That's it. I feel really good about this one. All right, go.
Oh, no.
What the fuck?
Oh, no.
Solana
Did you
wins.
guys see how it
no.
just shot both of them?
Both of them.
Okay, so where's Rhino? Charlie, what's up with Rhino?
Rhino says he didn't win.
Yeah, Rhino won, but like 2-3 months ago. So
Okay,
should be
so
good,
Rhino,
right?
did Rhino pick a number?
Chat,
Rhino-
slow down, chat. Come on.
He says
Yeah,
Bitcoin. He says,
real win.
okay, just do the next one. He says Bitcoin.
All right, chat. All right, chat. Stop being a bunch of whiny motherfuckers, all right? I'm going to mute this for a second. Don't whine, chat.
I'm just gonna mute, okay? Sorry.
Hey, I saw what you just did there. Your hands went down, and all of a sudden,
I had a call with KBM. I was about something separate.
Solana
This is great. He wouldn't have won anyway. So Bitcoin and Farcoin. Let's go.
So, did you see, Tyler, how
Place
like
your
Farcoin
bets.
and Doge got shot at the same time?
I did, yeah. Oh my
That was
God,
dirty.
84x. Oh shit.
That was dirty. Congratulations, though, 3PL.
This would
$5
be an
per
insane
sub.
win. This is a $20,000 win. For him.
20K win. Come on.
Come on, give it to him.
Yeah.
All right, we're alive.
Bitcoin shot? No. Oh, it was Doge. Okay. Come on. Oh!
All right, Bitcoin, come on. Bitcoin, come back.
Solana wins.
Man, 2 Solana wins in a row.
Unbelievable.
Roll the
Who would've
dice.
predicted?
Mando wins again.
All right, we're gonna do it one more time. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. We'll do a. We should do one game for everyone. You know, where everyone gets to. We'll pick how many. There's 5 tiles, right?
There's 5 tiles.
We have 3 winners. So
So-
should we put something on everything? Should we put 50 on everything and see what happens? At least then we have a winner.
Okay. And who wins it though?
Well, let's go. The first 2 are for the first guy, whoever that was. Second 2 for the second one, and then the third guy only gets 1.
There's only 2 guys.
There's only 2 guys.
Or
Yeah.
they just split.
They split it.
Yeah, they
We did
split
it
the
yesterday.
Yeah.
Perfect. So you guys are lucky. See, when
All right,
So
you guys got the
50
bonus
on everything?
today.
Yeah.
50 on
50 on everything.
everything.
All
Let's have
right.
Let's have a winner.
Let's have a winner. Rhino and 3PL, congratulations. You made $50 each, and you're about to split whatever we make from this run. Here we go. Let's go. All right. Okay, BM, real quick. Oh, right off the bat, you killed Sparkle.
Get down on the RTP. Bring that.
Come on, Doge. Whoa!
Everything.
Bitcoin on the 2x.
Bitcoin
Yeah! Woo!
All right, you guys had a nice day. Still
You
got
guys
like-
earned it, right? You guys
got
earned
like
it.
$600.
They did earn it. So they make $52.50 each on top of the $500. So congrats, it's still $550.
No.
I mean, Rhino 3PL paid what? $5 for a sub and leaves with $550. Look at that.
That's 110 months of subs.
Gentlemen. I mean, Mando, I'm gonna see you next week in Korea. Tyler's going on finally on a trip, finally taking some time
What
off the
is
show.
hello in Korean?
What?
What's hello in Korean? Do we
I don't
know?
know.
I've been there
안녕하세요.
before, but I forget.
안녕하세요. No, 안녕하세요. Or is it I know 감사합니다. It means thank you.
Yeah,
안녕하세요.
no, that's what it is. Ang
안녕하세요. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, bro. Mr. Worldwide, baby. 안녕하세요. Yeah, like that. You know? See? See, I know my shit.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. And you have to be really nice to them. And big on respect. And so, that's not how he got what the chat, dude, that's racist, man. Jesus. It's 안녕하세요. There you go. Farouk. Ways of Wang. See, we got a fellow Korean in the chat. You love to see that. So that's gonna happen. We're definitely not gonna wear traditional clothes on the show because I ain't getting canceled for that. Though I love the traditional Korean clothing. I've been watching this Korean show actually on Netflix lately.
What is it?
It's about, what's it called again? Babe, what's the name of the show that we're watching in Korean? Chef. Oh, yeah, Bon Appetit, Your Majesty. Ooh, banger.
What's that in Korean?
I know.
Did the Rev just give some more subs? Man, shout out to the Rev.
Did
Oh,
he?
really? We get more?
What a chat. Why doesn't it pop up on screen? I love it. What a chat.
Not that Korean, right? It didn't sound that Korean, dude.
Squid Game. I mean, Squid Game is a Korean show. All right, guys. Well, the show will be back officially on.
Oh, so it's Tyler off next week as well.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
sir.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
First
for
week
understanding.
off since New Year's. So
Since forever, really, right?
Ever. I don't think he's taken a week off the show since he started working on this. So it looks like the show will come back with Tyler on Monday, September 29th.
correct.
And I think Mando and I are not going to be on until, I mean, I won't be on until Monday, October 6th.
No, I'll be on later in that week. I'll be back by Friday or Thursday.
Yeah, so you'll be back either October 2nd or October 6th. So don't miss us too much, y'all. Enjoy your time. Touch grass.
And I apologize for all Mando Minute subscribers, but there may be different timings of when we do that as well. I don't know. I need to look. I guess it actually won't be that bad. I won't have to wake up that early. It'll be later in the day. Maybe I still do it normal time.
All right. Well, there it is. There you have it. Peace out, guys. Love y'all. We will see y'all in about, a week and stuff for another episode of FOMO Hour on Rock Radio. Let's go.